Frantically searching for an ATM? You're not alone. Wealthsimple has become a financial powerhouse, letting you invest, trade, and even get a sweet debit card, but can it quench your thirst for cold, hard cash? Let's dive into the world of Wealthsimple and ATMs, understanding the nitty-gritty of accessing your money on the fly. First things first, Wealthsimple itself isn't a bank. It's an investment platform that bridges the gap between traditional finance and the new, tech-savvy world. So, it doesn't have its own network of ATMs like your local bank might. But here's the good news, Wealthsimple does offer a debit card, the Wealthsimple Cash Card, that acts a lot like a regular bank card. This little piece of plastic unlocks a world of convenience, allowing you to make purchases and, yes, even withdraw cash from ATMs. Now, here's where things get interesting. Wealthsimple itself won't charge you a fee for using your cash card at an ATM. That's a win right there. However, there's a catch. The ATM itself might have its own withdrawal fees. Think of it like this, you're borrowing the ATM services, and they might charge a convenience fee for letting you access your cash. These fees can vary depending on the ATM provider, location, and even the type of transaction, withdrawal versus balance inquiry. So, before you get stuck staring at a withdrawal fee screen, here are some smart tips. Know your ATM network. Most debit cards, including the Wealthsimple Cash Card, belong to a network like MasterCard or Visa. Check which network your cash card belongs to and try to find ATMs within that network. In-network ATMs often have lower or waived withdrawal fees. Befriend your bank ATM. If you have a traditional bank account, consider using your bank's ATMs for cash withdrawals. Banks often waive fees for withdrawals at their own ATMs, saving you a few bucks. Embrace the digital world. While cash is king in some situations, consider alternative methods for accessing your Wealthsimple funds. You can easily transfer money from your Wealthsimple account to your bank account and then withdraw it from a familiar ATM. Plan your cash needs. Carrying a little extra cash can be a lifesaver, but don't overdo it. Running low on cash occasionally is normal, but if it happens frequently, reevaluate your budgeting strategy. Remember, the Wealthsimple Cash Card is a fantastic tool for everyday spending, but for frequent ATM withdrawals, it might not be the most cost-effective option. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.